Hello students, in this section we are going to discuss about the earnings quality. Okay, so what is earnings quality? You have a question in your mind, okay? So earnings quality means if 1 year's earnings can predict the future year earnings. Say for example, you have earnings in year T and these uh, earnings can predict the earnings of year T plus 1, T plus 2. So if you have earnings of year T, T plus 1 and T plus 2, and from this pattern you can predict the earnings of T plus 3 years. For example, if you have earnings for 2010, 2011, 2012, and if you can predict earnings of 2013 from these earnings, and if the prediction is right, meaning the more accurate the prediction is, the higher the quality of earnings. So this is the definition of the earnings quality. Now we are going to discuss about the earnings smoothing. So what is earnings smoothing? So smoothing. Smoothing means you are manipulating earnings. For example, if you have earnings that is that has failed to meet or beat analyst forecast. Analyst forecast. So what you will do? You will always try to show your earnings higher, or you will try to meet or beat the analyst forecast. And to do this, you will try to smooth your earning. You will try to manipulate your earning. See that this is called earnings smoothing. Okay, manipulation of earnings. Manipulation. Okay, so there are different approaches to manipulate the earnings. To manipulate earnings, you can manipulate your accruals. Okay, accruals. Okay, we know that earnings is equal to cash and accruals. So you cannot manipulate cash, so you will try to manipulate the accrual part of the earnings. So this is the accrual manipulation. Okay, so there is another form of manipulation. So you can manipulate earnings by classification shifting. Classification shifting. Okay, how do you do that? So for example, let's have an example. We know that revenue minus uh, cost of goods sold, say revenue, this is cost of goods sold, is equal to gross profit, right? This is our gross profit. So this is the continuation from the previous slide. So we have revenue less cost of goods sold is equal to gross profit. Okay, then less operating expenses, right? So you have, say, for example, net income, right? Okay, now the classification shifting. So you will try to push down some of the expenses from cost of goods sold to operating expense. Okay, so what will happen then? Your gross profit will go up. See that? So cost of goods sold is one kind of expense. So you are classifying the cost of goods sold to another kind of expense. This is called actually classification shifting. This is one of the ways to smooth or to manipulate earnings. And why do we do that? To show higher gross profit, we usually do this classification shifting. Okay, I hope you have understood what is earnings smoothing. Okay, thank you so much.